Okay friends, let's do SMF Guitar Lesson, another awesome song by Twisted Sister. I'll play the intro, then we'll break it down. So start on a G, go to a D power chord, and then an A power chord. Do that 3 times. So G, D, A. G, D, A. And one more time, G, D, A. And then to finish that start bit off, G to D. Then we have the next riff. We're going to do G, go to an F sharp power chord 2 times, and to an E power chord, hold for 1 and then do palm muting. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and we do that 2 times. So G, F sharp, E. And that riff there through 2 times, and that's our intro. So for our verse this time, we're just going to do a G power chord, the F sharp 2 times, and then an E power chord, and then palm mutings like we did in the intro. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and do that one through 4 times. So 4 times on that riff there. The next time we're going to play the G again, the F sharp for 2, then go to an A power chord, hold for the 1 and do the palm mutings the same as before. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and repeat that again. G, F sharp, A. Then go back to the first riff and do it 2 times. So our G, F sharp, E, and our palm muting. And that's our verse there. So our pre-chorus is pretty easy. Do the G power chord again, F sharp power chord 2 times, then play the A power chord 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Back to our G chord 3 times. Back to an A power chord 3 times. And then finish on the G power chord, and that gets us ready for the chorus. And that's our pre-chorus there. So our chorus, we just play the G chord again, the F sharp 2 times power chord, and the E power chord. Then just go back to G and a D power chord, and we just do that 3 times. G, F sharp, E, G, D, and again. One more time. Then to finish off, just play the G power chord, back to the F sharp power chord, and finish on the E power chord, just hold it and stop. And that's our chorus there. From there we go back to the verse, and that's exactly the same, back to the pre-chorus and back to the chorus, and they're all the same. So our solo rhythm, and we'll do our solo at the end, we just do an A power chord, then 3rd fret on the E, A power chord again, 3rd fret on the E, A power chord again, 3rd fret on the E, and we do that 3 times. So 2, 3, then just hold the A power chord, then do our G power chord, F sharp to E, and our palm muting there. So palm muting on the E, and repeat that again. E and palm muting again to the end of the bar, and then we're just going back to our A riff again. And do it 4 times this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Then jump to a C power chord. We're going to do that 6 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. To a D power chord, which we're going to do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's our solo rhythm there, and we'll do our solo at the end. So for our last verse, it's just G, F sharp 2 times, E, and our palm muting. And we're just going to do that 4 times. 4 times there, and that's that verse. Then from there go back to the pre-chorus, which is the same, and then the chorus to finish off. Now let's have a look at the solo. So we're going to start on the B string and play 5, hammer onto 6, hammer onto 7. Then 5 E, back to the B, 7, pull off the 5, to 7 on the G. Then do 5, hammer onto 6 on the G, 7 on the D, again 5, hammer onto 6 on the G, and then 5 on the E. Then do a bend on 7G, release, pull off the 5, 7D, back to 5 on the G. Then we've got this little chromatic run up. We're going to play the E string, 5, pull off the 3, pull off the open. Then do the same on the B. Then just move up a fret and we do the same thing on the E, B, and again, just moving up a fret each time. We play the 12th fret, and that's our little run up there. Then we're going to play the 12 on the B, do a bend on 15 B, E, 12, back to B, 15, 12, bend 15 again on the B, E, 12, this time B, 15, 12, G, 15, 14, 12. So do the bend again on 15 on the B, E, 12, B, 15, 12, bend again 15 B, E, 12, B, 15, 12, this time do a bend on 15 B, and repeat that first riff again, 15 bend, 12 E, B, 15, 12, bend 15 B, E, 12, B, 15, 12, jump to the G, 15, 14, 12. Then we're jumping to the D string, 12, hammer onto 14, G, 12, 14, 12, back to D, 14, 12, 14, back to G, 12, hammer onto 14, pull off to 12, D, 14, G, 12. Then we're going to bend on the 7th fret G, jump down to the E string, do 8, pull off the 5 2 times. Then on the B string, 8, pull off the 5, back to E, 8, pull off the 5, B, 8, pull off the 5, bend on 7E. Then bend 8, pull off 8 to 5 on the E again, B, 8, pull off the 5, bend 8 on the B, play 5 E, back to B, 8, pull off to 5, bend on 7G, play 5B, bend on 7G, back to B, 5, hammer on to 8, pull off to 5, bend 7G, 5 on the B, bend 7G, release, pull off to 5, back to 7. Then we're jumping up to 10 on the B string, E, 8, hammer on to 10, pull off to 8, 10 on the B, back to 8. Then bend on 15 on the B, play E, 12, 15, pull off to 12, back to 15B to E, 12, 15. Then come up to 20 on the E, bend, play 17, hammer onto 20, pull off to 17 on the E, 20B, back to 17E. And the last little run we're going to bend on 15 on the B, play 13 and then G, 14, 12, 14, back to 13 on the B, and then we do 5 bends on the 15 on the B. 2, 3, 4, 5. And that's our solo there, and they're all the parts. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed SMF Guitar Lesson. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you love your 80s rock, glam and metal, jump onto my YouTube channel for hundreds more songs, and I'm looking forward to seeing you soon.